weekly vlog, kind of vlog. My scent of the day are Amirat Al Arab, and this one is Passion. God.
Hey, it's your girl Carol. Welcome back to Carol on the Move, where we cook, travel, do some life challenges, and live life with flavor. Let's go!
Hi my loves, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for coming back. Well, today is on Monday. I'll be starting this vlog on Monday. It's more of a weekly vlog, kind of vlog, like a week in life. Yep. And I hope I'll go by the flow. Well, here's my fit of the day. This is just a t-shirt that I've like tucked in, hence it looks different, and some black trousers. And my scent of the day are Amirat Al Arab, and this one is Passion. It's called Passion. It's a refill, and I don't know what I was expecting when I had the name Passion. I think I was expecting it to smell like a passion, but it smells more of a sweet, like a something sweet, like a sweet candy. I can't explain it, but it smells like a sweet candy, kinda. So with the two scents will be my set of the day, and I have no jewelry on, just the M-Seal wristband and my bag. You've seen the bag before, and in my bag I only have my receipt box, a gloss, I'll do a watch as well, and my phone. The phone is the one I'm vlogging with, so it's only my purse, and I'll wear some flat shoes. I've not cleaned my sports shoes. I've been too lazy over the weekend, and it was so cold. I did not do laundry, but I'll do that. I'll do that in the course of the day. It is sunny, so of course I'm going to wear some glasses. Otherwise, my eyes will be in pain. I was thinking of also going to the salon to have my hair done, but I don't know. We'll see. In case I don't, we'll have the hair done by the end of the week. So, yeah. Let's go to work. You don't have those macaroni cutters, like the ones you shape macaroni with. So we're just going to use whatever we got. Macaroni ever. The flour prevents it from kushikana. I don't know how to call that in English. Good morning, my loves. Today is on Wednesday and I'm preparing to step out. And you've seen the dress before, so I'll not show you the dress. I have some earrings on, blue and gold. The gold to match with this, and the blue to match with the dress, although it's not the same shade of colors. And this is going to be my scent of the day, teriyaki. Today is a sunny day actually. It's a sunny day today. I have a few errands, and these days I'm forgetting a lot. Why? I don't know where my mind is at. The rate at which I'm forgetting things is even worrying. It's worrying. Once you apply teriyaki for the first time, it's not the sweetest smell, but once it's dried down, I love the smell. I love the scent. Like I was saying, I'm being too forgetful of things, such that if I go to town and I wanted to get like 2 or 3 things done, I end up forgetting one. So I hope I'll not forget. I have a meeting at 11. I need to get a parcel from G4S. I need to go to KRA, and I also need to go to JCM Church in Murang'a. I hope I don't forget all those things. I hope I do not forget any of them, especially the G4S and the KRA. I've forgotten for like almost the whole of this week. Since Monday, I've been intending to go there. For the JCM, it's hard to forget because I need to ask for a job. Yes. So, and they have a fellowship today, I guess, if I'm not wrong. So, yep. And here's my bag of the day. My glasses of the day. The only jewelries I have are the watch and the earrings. I'm doing very minimal, and I also need to go to the bank. Guy, I had almost forgot. I also need to go to the bank, and I might end up as well going to the dump site. Anyway, I don't know, but let's step out. And I'm back to my wig errors. I feel cute actually, and I think I've added too much weight. I think I've gained weight Because the last time I wore this dress, it was kind of baggy. Right now, imenishika. I'm eating a lot. Anyway. Hello. Hi guys, I'm back from work and it is market day today, and I got these shoes for 500 shillings because they actually mtush, but they actually they look new. Their sole looks new, you see on top, because we have a function that is coming up next month and we need like silver shoes, and I feel these ones can count as silver. I don't want to buy a very expensive heel because I'm not more of a, these days I'm not into heels that much because of the nature of my work. So I decided to get this and I think I'm in love with them. Also, remember me saying that I was supposed to go to G4S and collect a parcel. I had ordered it on Kilimall like 2 weeks ago. It actually came some time back, but I've been forgetting to go get it. It's a mini fan. I got it from Kilimall. It's a mini fan. Oopsie. This is how it looks. I wanted a blue one because the outfit that you're supposed to be wearing on that specific event is supposed to be blue, but there was not the exact blue. There was not the exact shade of blue. So this one is closer. Comes with this charger. Cable, sorry. I've always wanted to own a mini fan because I feel like they look aesthetically cute. Just for that reason. Nothing else, just that reason. Because they are cute, and whenever it is too hot and you are wearing makeup, sometimes the makeup like looks kind of cakey. You get what I mean? So I've been wanting to get this mini fan and I finally have it. Also, especially in the house when it is hot, I cannot get like a fan, a big fan for the house because I get cold too quick, and honestly I cannot like stand the fan in the house. Anyway, I don't know what I'm saying, but I don't get a big fan because I'm allergic to cold, I'm allergic to dust and all that. So this one is just for like, just hold it on my hand like, and I'm good to go and I'm cool again. And also for the aesthetics, because imagine in a function it is hot and you're like it looks cute, it looks sexy, it looks rich. So yeah, anyway, that's all. I also got some sweet potatoes from the market. I'll be boiling that and have it for dinner tonight and for breakfast in the morning. Tomorrow is Thursday and it is waste management day, so yep, I might be joining them tomorrow. I think I'll be joining them tomorrow, plus there are several people I want to see. Luckily I attended just one person. I just didn't go to JCM because our meeting was kind of late, so I don't know if I'll find the pastor in church tomorrow, but we'll see with time. Hi guys, today is on Friday and And here's my fit of the day. And the scent of the day is Creed and Passion. And did I tell you? I have some lines on, some controls on. If not, yes. I passed by Jackie Salon yesterday and had my controls done. For now, let's go to work. These are eggs. Guy, one is broken. Some eggs are broken. I have pork meat. Kamande and rice, apples and garlic. These ones were 200 and these ones were 300. The eggs were 400. Apples 30 shillings each. Spinach 20 shillings. Dania or parsley 10 shillings. Rice 150. Kamande 60. The meat, the pork, half a kg for 250. And I think that's it. Let me make dinner, but first of all, let me fry the pork as I change the eggs. I've managed to make a meal out of the pork. I'm having the pork and ugali for dinner. Today's on Saturday night. So, yep, I'll have my dinner and a cup of warm water and call it a night. See you tomorrow. Finally, my bed is made. So, all I need to do is arrange the room because it looks bad. Like I've been storing everything and anything in here. So, I'll take care of this. But I don't think I'm going to do that with you right now because I don't want it to be too long. Yep. Well, today's on Sunday and I think I'm going to end this vlog here because I want to start working on this room. But first of all, I need to edit this video so that I can create some space on my phone. Also, I don't want to be too lengthy, so I think I'll end here. Please like, please comment, please share. Let me know what you'd like to see more of in this channel. If you want to see more of the challenges, if you want to see more of outfit, me creating some outfit for a certain occasion, if you want to see more of lifestyle, let me know what you'd like to see more of. For now, bye bye.